Recently, I've been getting questions from some of you about how to apply to study medicine in India. Is it possible to do medicine and surgery as an international student in India? And in today's video, I'm going to try to answer that question. So stay tuned till the end of this video. So without any further ado, let's get started. Straight off, right off the bat, I'm going to answer the question, right? But first, before I answer the question, I'm going to explain to you what it is to study medicine and surgery in India. Now, as it is in Nigeria, medicine and surgery is a very competitive, program, right, in India. So it's not really easy to study medicine in India because before you apply to the university, even after graduating high school, you have to write an exam. And this is the same for the locals as it is for everyone, internationals as well. Now, the reason why it's practically impossible for international students to study medicine in India is because they cannot come to India without a valid visa. Do you understand? Because usually when you try to do, like, let's say chemical engineering, for instance, you could just get admission, pay your tuition deposits and get the visa, right? And then you can travel to India. But then if you're trying to come study medicine, you have to come to India first, write the exam, and if you do well in the exam, then you can apply to study medicine. So that's why it's practically impossible to study medicine in India. But then, if you're looking for affordable options to study medicine, there are other countries like Russia, China, Serbia, right? These countries are around $2,500 to $8,000 per year for Serbia, 2.5 for Russia, and China around 3K to $4.5 per year. If you have any question regarding this we've discussed today, you could put them in the comment section and I'm going to reply to every single comment. If it's quite private, you could just send me a DM on WhatsApp or Instagram. Thanks for watching, and if you're yet to subscribe, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.